Debiano, ubetumi ameki $11.70. Debia. Okay, inti ma metro sane website we say eye edwuma. Na also if it to morning to me and get your money online. Now the only say that website we say eye newly launched website October ya ena wonom edanedi. Inti ebeye better say ube invest wa ha say anase ube patronize wo wonom service ni mu. Na wonso wotimi nya sika ne bidie free ha say epa chawo hyewe nsoma me say website we dache bia no ebe go off enye ade ayede ye ho to so 100%. Na emomo no sesie ya me no ka say die eye adwuma 100% a obetimi anyway mo abeye adwuma na wotimi enye sika wonya wonfa so a na we free ha wo hwe video we ewo 2023 mfimfini ho baby a epacho aya baby say aso say website ne gusu ye adwuma na because I know say definitely one day site we say ebeko down but say see na as it is na dey eye adwuma 100% a ubetimi invest na wonso wa cash out money e dey akọ account mu okay intene me dey kan ya na no daily no ubetimi enya $11.70 and they say ye check it dollar to cedi na 11.70 to 1 cedi no eye 163 Ghana cedis 163 Ghana cedis equal 164 Ghana cedis debia sasika we say ena ubenya inti fa multiply na by month sika say ena ubenya by month okay inti sika bebree say obomodi ana say woni website ni edwuma kon ade ya the site na ne say omo online shop okay link in our video description as intimi aso na fabra ha say online shop a obe perform task no oba task ha say na okay this session no task ho so ho na we mia order ne so order day bia no task no 2 or so o de ye be community ne be hu wo ye wie pe na actually completed na omo de osika na associated no ede abro okay enti ma menchira wade ha say and I say o sign up bia so na obenya $20 for free I was say over charge na before say when site ni be adwuma no just say what deposit $10 and on the first way $10 say what deposit $10 a day bia no obenya task no 2 onya 2 task a day bia no obenya $2.1 ASM 2.1 okay ya fan say 30 Ghana cedis okay until say we invest $10 a day bia obenya 30 Ghana cedis is okay yes first what test with $10 and pacha ubetimi aba be use this option way and when na make ho asem no we no ubehia $90 and anu so no wo de be invest e wa ha say na de bia no wenya $11.7 sa okay and I ha say ne so no option so ha no ube use 180 na wo de invest de bia no ubenya $36 Mr. say wo sika hakra na so wo de remu a fa be ne tentem oba level 4 no so na e ho so ne de e wo level 4 no so no am checking here ubetua $300 and wo de aye level 5 so ho level 6 level 7 level 8 level 9 okay nti ni nyina bo no hwehwe ne nchen nti no oba ubetumi a check it osika beso no na waye investment no so utumi yanko ade a obe make nti hye ne nso but on me say you signing up no yenya $20 bonus nti in this case no ye behia $10 pe na ye de aka ho na yetumi e de participate ewo level 1 nim okay nti no so eni je ho say opese we invest ewo ahasen dia ene na obe recharge your account no nti obe mia recharge so na wakope USDT USDT TRC20 nti obe copy link no metre BTC address o copy address na wakobe bia minim baby a what or USDT edi free and I say wo cryptocurrency wallet we use either say we use Binance and I say we use Coinbase and I say we use Trust Wallet baby a what we free no one I win but be I say we total newbie and I say we name baby a USDT edi free a me pacho any ma betro send obeto USDT edi free mobile money through Binance. But it's simple, download the Binance app on it will Google Play Store and I say App Store. Now verify or account no. By say we follow process now one edibema no. So when we send you a top BTC so already there and when I say we call Binance na wako send $10 e de amasa USDT address we say in some few minutes you know be add up to your account na wako task na wa make it 2 orders no we get 2 orders in here that's all na wonya wo $2 abeka osika ne ho a very nice website afa na ba nti for now no dey genuine but e chire some dey media mintumi enka dey bia onsa na meka on my previous videos ni on my other channel na any hosesi ani mu say mintumi en guarantee no 100% success but sisi am no ka say dey any edwuma alright okay nti we na so say e bia we make some cash person or withdraw na wa withdrawal nti o meka say submit withdrawal method add withdrawal method TRC20 okay oko either Binance na say Trust Wallet ko USDT na wa copy receiving address no na o dia be ha say na wabo o transaction password say we create account na o meka say bo transaction password eno no some numbers bi e bia 1 2 3 4 5 6 we are no me submit no wetimi submit nti no we are we die hia nyina ne say de bia no obekọ task na wa ye 2 task no na otimi edi enye sika no abeto accounting eye adwuma pa eye adwuma obetimi so join the referral program no nti say oba ha say na teamwork na wamia we so copy wo referral link no ana say wo referral ID no okay na waka ho asem de a chere wona fofo je ni beje ho no so be use wo link no onso obenya referral commission ti de mo na nipa no ebe wini ana say obe deposit na we make money our site and so no the more na so no obenya commission de akoweni okay nti de hia nyina say obeka ho asem de a chere fofo na onso waye na ye nyina yetimi abom na make money online meba na ma be deposit sika wa ha say na master to say me de eye edwuma ewo website we si obetimi download the app no free ha say na o use app no okay very flexible ebeboa nti in fact so person who say never make money online in Ghana flexibly wait me check it out Nation 10 Republic and I think Cedis from video na me ye no na wait me ahwe hu say never make money online share video description na say links amaka ho asem ni nyina no video description ni mu nti no ye be share sa videos ni mu ba ko macrow for now.